If you are also paranoid about where your son is at, this gives you such peace of mind. I cannot recommend it enough.
I'm a photographer and I carry around really expensive equipment with me all the time. Sometimes, I'm photoing and I'll leave my bag down. This has happened before where someone grabbed it and they ran. If you guys are always traveling for work and you're really worried about losing your stuff, you should get this thing.
I love this thing. It has changed my life. As a woman, I don't want to wander around a dark parking lot trying to find my car. So with this thing, you put it in your car or your purse and you just open up your app and boom, you know exactly where it is. And I only have to charge it every 2 weeks, which is really nice.